Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make ashwagandha tea from powder updated. Start by boiling 1 cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of powder, and simmer 2 to 3 minutes. Strain into a cup and add honey or milk if desired for smoothness. Taste and adjust sweetness, keeping in mind potency, and serve warm. Store powder in a cool, dry place to preserve flavor and benefits for regular use. Begin by measuring 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder per cup of water. Bring the water to a gentle boil, then add the powder and reduce heat to a simmer for 2 minutes to extract active compounds. Use a fine mesh strainer or cloth to remove solids, then pour into a cup. Sweeten with honey or add a splash of milk if you prefer creaminess, and enjoy the warm, earthy tea right away. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: on another note, socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I find them perfect for cozy tea moments and long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. To improve flavor, try adding a slice of fresh ginger or a pinch of cinnamon while simmering, which brightens the earthy profile. If you like creamy tea, add hot milk or a non-dairy alternative after straining. Begin with 1 teaspoon to evaluate how your body reacts before increasing the dose. These simple tweaks help make ashwagandha tea more enjoyable while preserving its qualities, and they are easy to adjust to your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.